Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, I am Cassie. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do my very own Cuban sandwich. So in the pan, as you see right here, I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil. After that, we're gonna be cooking our meat, which is the ham and some salami. I do have my stove on medium-high heat because we want this thing to have like a nice brown, not burnt kind of type of look, but just like a nice brown color to it. So now on a cutting board, I have my Puerto Rican bread, and this bread will be perfect to do what we are doing today. So cut each slices according to how big you want them. So I went ahead and sliced them up in half like an open book, and now what I'm just doing is just adding some mustard and mayonnaise on both sides of each bread. So the meat that I cut before, which was the salami and the ham, I'm just going to go ahead and put that in on the bread, also with using Swiss and provolone cheese, and to top it off with some pickles. Now I'm closing each and one of them up to get ready to put them on our frying pan. So in that same pan I was using to fry the meat, I'm going ahead and add some butter. You don't want to add too much butter, but you don't want to add just a few butter. You need the right amount of butter to get the bread, like we're just basically going to be frying the outside. The bread going to need to be like this nice brown crispy golden color. Now this would be good to use, I'm not sure if it's called a press thingy or press grill, whatever, but I'm using my basically a plate to flatten the bottom so it could be a nice flat Cuban sandwich. So both sides of your sandwich should look something like this, nice and golden, and when you bite into it, it will have a nice crispy sound. That wraps up for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how our sandwich is looking, and it tastes yummy. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that like button, and don't forget to put on your post notification bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.